Ever wonder how far your bike moves with just one complete turn of the wheel? The answer is a concept called circumference. It's the total distance around the outside of any circle. Think of it as the perimeter, but for round objects like a plate, a pond, or a planet. To find it, you just need one magical number, pi, which we know is about 3.14. You have two main formulas to choose from. You can take the circle's diameter, that's the full distance across, and multiply it by pi. Or you can take the radius, just the distance from the center to the edge, and use the formula 2 times pi times the radius. Both give the exact same answer, because 2 radii equal 1 diameter. Now for a pro tip that saves a ton of work. Knowing which version of pi to use is a game changer. If your diameter or radius is a multiple of 7, like 14 or 21, use the fraction 22/7. The 7s will cancel out, and you can solve the problem without touching a single decimal. For most other numbers, a classic 3.14 is your best bet. This isn't just classroom math, it's how the world moves. The distance a wheel travels in one full rotation is exactly its circumference. If a tire's circumference is 2 meters, one turn moves a car 2 meters forward. 50 turns? That's 100 meters. You can measure a journey by counting rotations. You can even work backwards. If you measure the fence around a circular garden and find it's 31.4 meters long, you can figure out the garden's width by dividing that length by pi. The answer would be 10 meters. From the edge to the center, circumference connects it all.